Hey guys, you're back with your boy Dunky for season 1, episode 8 of 12 Monkeys. And this episode was called Yesterday. And as soon as I saw that it was called Yesterday, the first thing that popped into my head was yesterday. All my troubles seem so far away. Something, 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 something. Oh, I believe in yesterday. So that's all that went into my head. But now I'm thinking, okay, something in the show, something we've already seen, something's going to happen the day before what we've already seen that's going to change everything. Okay, that's what I'm going to guess. At the end, we're going to see some big twist that's going to change whatever I thought had been happening. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's jump in. Dun, 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 dun. It's going backwards. They're not going to have the keys. Last episode, the keys. The monkeys? Or Mon means something? The keys mean something?
Puts Mr. Cole's tracer signal in Chechnya 2015.
Well, nothing's changed.
Time to bring Mr. Cole home and regroup.
Oh, they're gonna go. Are they gonna go to the day before he was at Chechnya?
Initiate return sequence.
What? He's just gonna be in little bits.
Mr. Ramsey.
They're not gonna send Ramsey back.
No way to bring him back.
Ramsey will be like, I'm away, because it's his best friend.
Having trouble accepting that it is over.
It's not.
Yeah. The plague will still happen.
Yeah, you have to go check.
Could help you get some closure.
Like, I know he's handsome and everything, but is it just me? Like, I don't want to know what happens in the future, but well, the scratch is still there. Oh, come on, she should have known to look at that.
Where do you want me to go?
Because Spearhead can be dangerous.
Things got ugly when you left.
Spearhead.
And the virus mutated. And it tore through us.
If only they got vaccinated.
His wife succumbed to the virus.
He looked a bit like,
He became obsessed.
I was about to say Russell Crowe, but not really. Skinnier.
Faster stop them.
What the fuck? Why?
Good luck, Mr. Ramsey.
Ramsey will do it. Or Ramsey will do something to save Cole, and then Cole will go back to yesterday or something to save Ramsey. I'm thinking it might be cooler than it might actually be. What? How did he survive? I know he's tougher than us. I know it's always possible to survive something like that. Is he gonna do some DIY? Yeah. Have a swig first, and then he'll pour it on. Oh no. Thought he was gonna have a swig first. Ow, man. Alright. You don't have to keep going. You did it pretty well. Far out, man. No surgical knowledge. It's just, I've got to get a bullet out. Dig. Cole's just the bloody straight up. Goes for the goal.
We just need to know if anyone survived the drone strike.
I'm not telling you another damn thing.
Let's put a gun to his
Well, we
head.
can either discuss.
We removed the bodies of Wexler and his men. Your friend's was never found. Cole.
So he could still be alive.
Nothing survived that strike.
I wonder if when Jones tried to pull him back, maybe that did
I can
something.
operate under CDC.
Yeah, maybe that did something. Ramsey goes full military music. Spearhead.
If we hit resistance, it'll come from Foster's head of security. My father.
Oh, yeah. I hope we get this black guy, I can't remember his name, but I hope it'd be good if we get some more character development.
I need to see Colonel Foster. Welcome to Spirit.
I like finding out more about the future side.
For we shall rise phoenix-like from these ashes of death and decay.
Oh, calm down, buddy.
Where is that utopian Wunderland she promised us? It's not that
Wunderland.
I believe.
I recognise Foster. Seen him in heaps of stuff before.
To find a cure for the plague.
Not the way it mutates.
They're after prevention. He's after cure.
It can anticipate all the possible mutations of the virus.
How? How can you do that?
It does require a certain faith.
Yeah.
But I can't help you.
Want to bet?
All right, Rich. Hey.
Help me!
What?
Does anyone know you're here?
I'd say yes.
Helena?
Jose,
What? I thought she was
what are you?
dead, or I assumed she was dead. What?
I thought you were dead.
That's like the love of his life.
Maybe the West 7 had finally gotten you.
Ain't talking about your color, concerned about your creed in the house of love. Everybody's free.
It wasn't me I was worried about.
What? Does he have a kid?
Wait a second.
Oh. Then he'll be like stopping the plague would get rid of his kid.
Jose, this is Sam.
My son.
Oh, this is. Dude, this throws a bit of a spanner in the works. Oh.
Mr. Whitley was unsuccessful. Stop the generator.
I like Jones more than Foster, but then on the other hand, Jones has killed a lot of people in her pursuit of her goals, whereas Foster may not have.
Okay,
Still don't know if they're friend or foe.
you pull, I push.
Initiate return sequence.
Oh, what?
Tracer signal active.
What? What happened?
You have a car?
Oh, shit.
How long will the tether hold?
We could divert the
How
power.
long?
What's it matter how long? If it's a time machine. Just be like, sweet, doesn't matter if it takes 20 years to fix. Am I right? And so he's, what? Can he infect people? He can't infect people.
You believe in me or die. That's how a coup works.
Oh my! Look at everything that he has done here.
So he's done a coup for the best.
I get that now. I get a lot of things now.
I just don't like this guy.
Come with me.
Of course he will.
You need to do this on your own.
Okay, yes, shows what I know.
I'll be here when you get back.
What? What is that? That's some bullshit, man. I thought she was into coal.
Red cells carry oxygen. White cells help
Carry
you when you get sick.
platelets. No, are they separate? No, they're separate. Sorry. I never paid attention in biology.
Kings and emperors would play this game.
Ramsey would be better with kids than Cole. Oh, what?
Welcome.
Your office?
I think over dinner would be more appropriate.
No way. Are you telling me that is her husband? Is that her husband?
Cole, are
The
you
hell
there?
was that?
Yeah.
What will you do when you get out?
I don't trust these voices.
I don't know.
She's gone now.
Oh, she's
Hey.
sick.
Help is coming.
They need to do another strike on it now. Or maybe he killed her.
Fear
Maybe he did the coup against her husband and she ran off.
No.
That's what it is.
A lot of lives at stake, and you guys having a dick measuring contest right now.
I like Rams.
But I remember. I remember the day.
January 6th.
In the name of hope.
Where'd you get this?
What's that?
Maybe now is a good time to speak in private.
Is that an alternative reality?
How can you have these?
No.
We were all lost in the fires when Atlanta fell.
And now you have the proof in your hands.
You can show him more proof, I'm sure, too.
And your daughter, Anna, trapped in that tiny room, holding on to her dead little hand.
I was thinking before, don't slap him, but then he just kept going.
He wanted to know why you didn't have hair.
Because he's awesome.
He's a good kid. He's got your eyes.
Yeah.
Ramsey.
Did she take a step back then?
I'll be back.
You better.
Why is she? Oh no, she had a look. She had a look.
How close can you get me?
He's like, ooh, with all that money, thanks. I'll take you as close as I'll take anyone else.
They said they found a cure for the plague.
There is no way.
They didn't say they had a cure.
How to predict when the virus is going to change.
I like it how Ramsey's honest and gives them the information. He's very democratic.
If Cole comes back, we just move forward with our lives.
Because he's got a son.
The virus is a losing proposition.
A lie to keep the people inspired, complacent.
Does anyone have a bloody truth serum or truth detector or something?
We make a deal to use the core.
Maybe then we can convince Foster.
Foster's deal.
Can't you say we'll get Cole back and then you can do whatever and then we can do my thing again? What's the rush with the time travel?
Take it how?
By
Any means necessary.
dude. Look at her look, man. That's one thing this show's been lacking, some good looks. And she just did, I think she just did the first good look of the show. I don't like all this coughing, man. Obviously she's sick. I don't know. I know something's gonna mess it up. Like if he had the gun, the best thing he could do when he gets up is just start shooting everyone. But what is it? It's called Yesterday. For some reason. Well, no, she's there today. No. What? Yesterday.
No one survived. And there's no body.
Oh, no, he did survive. And there is a body.
He was erased.
Oh, come on, he must know a phone number or something.
There's been a plague all over the world.
What?
What year is it?
2017.
2017, he's supposed to be in 2000.
Only back, I jumped 2 years.
Oh, what? Okay, so let me just think about that for a second, because I know there's some fucked up shit going on there. Okay. So he was talking, she was coughing, and he was talking to her in 2017. They put her up. And that was from when they pulled him back. So Cassie is in 2015. And she's like, nah, everything's cool, but everything is not cool. I still don't, but everything is not cool. She's not going to be the carrier, but it still gets out some somehow. It's not from him, because he's in 2017, so it's not from him. But still, why was it called yesterday? Because they pulled him out yesterday compared to when she got there. They pulled him 2 years into the future from when she got there. And I don't like her friend. I know. I just think it's weird. He kissed her, which seems like it's something that he's really wanted to do. And then she says, "Come with me." And he says, "No, this is something you've got to do alone." I don't know. Because I know this is going to go really weird, so I'm thinking, no, it's not. I was thinking maybe that guy that kissed her, the guy, I don't know, he creeps me out. Maybe that's the flower guy, but it's not because there's a height difference. So the virus got out. Yeah, Jones did that look by any means necessary. Because I was thinking when he said, "How are we going to get it out?" I was thinking, don't say by force. Like your first thing would be by stealth. Like I'd prefer to steal it. I prefer to be a thief in the night than have to murder people. Be a thief in the night. Be a thief in the night and then defend yourself. Yeah, this was a good Ramsey episode, and we saw that girl Evelyn or Elena. She did a little when he left. I don't know. There's something going on. Like I was thinking, is she with that guy? And he did a coup against who? He did a coup against her husband. But all right, guys. I'll see you all on the next episode. Peace, love, and mung beans, baby. You.